let's get the show on the road, and I'm going to try to do a little patch. I'm going to try to get this mastic off this floor, and I'm using that orange cleaner, and I'm just going to take a spot right here. This stuff is a degreaser, and I'm hoping it's going to take this off. Okay, but the first thing I got to do is I'll probably have to leave that on there for a few minutes, I'm thinking. I'm just going to use the steel brush here. This is a wire brush. And it looks like it's going to take this off. I'm going to let it set on there. I'm getting kind of greedy about not wanting to wait, but you know, the best thing you can do is wait for your cleaner to work. Now I wish I had some simple green here, because simple green is a degreaser too. It's basically like this stuff here. This is orange oil, and we've got some concentrate in a bottle that will do 64 quarts of this. So I think we're going to have, well, there's only about yay much left in it like that in another container, so we may have to go to the store and get more. But I'm gonna let that sit on here for about maybe 15 minutes. And I'm gonna get back to this and see if it'll clean a lot easier. I think it will. So stick around and let's check her out. Okay, here's that other cleaner. Energy Plus 680, safety, ecology, economy, non-polluting, and it's biodegradable, non-toxic, and all that good stuff. And you know what? I'm just gonna take a little container here. I got just a plastic cup, and this is like almost like oil, and I'm just gonna put a little bit in here. I'm going to say probably that much. About like that, okay? That's all I'm going to put in this quart bottle, 32 ounces. I'm going to fill the rest of that up with water, and I'm going to put that right on the floor over there. Okay, that's going to be my next test.